Hey, okay,
White
push.
one there.
Hey, wake
Hello,
up.
I'm back. I'm
Hey,
back. I'm back.
listen, buy P250. Buy
I don't
P250,
have.
come late
Okay,
room.
let me go back. Let me go back.
Come late room.
Okay.
Short and mid.
Push guys.
अरे don't.
Nice.
अरे LT bro, LT
Hey,
LT.
come
You want
now.
me to activate
Lol.
now?
Hey, dead. No one is with you.
Come,
Everyone
come.
dead bro.
In. Oh my god.
Come, baby,
Bro, how
come.
did I miss, man?
No, 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 no. This gun is bad. This gun is bad.
अरे kill this guy.
One shot tag. This guy's tag.
Go for
80.
tap fire.
Bro, what the hell am I doing?
Arey, I got spammed to the smoke. मेरे को
They
देखा
are,
नहीं,
they
I
are
just
good boys.
died.
Fucking.
And one
They are
entered LT
fucking.
through smoke bro.
I never knew you can actually spam that well through a smooth thing. As in short की तरह.
I can
Well,
also do if
you
you.
can just rush him, bro.
I
Forget him
I
now.
know I didn't
I'm
expect
going
that.
LT with Mac. Guys, second round is forced, please.
Don't go LT bro. Enter
Only
B
two.
fast.
I don't have flash for B.
अरे we will flash you.
अरे
Oh, now
Is it
D2
Beerus?
I have to.
Is it Beerus?
No. I'm going LT.
I have smoked double
ultimate to
door.
be.
I have smoked double door.
Let's try mid to be, guys.
Oh my god.
What?
One
Thank
more
you,
B.
Hey, one
Karthik.
short jump. Two shot. One jump windows.
One door, one window. One door, one window.
I was waiting for the short push.
You can stay there until you push it, bro. No worries.
Oh my god.
I gave 80.
Eco.
Uncle got juiced.
I was jumping like a mad
Arey,
man.
but they always beat the timing. So they can always go there if they have the best.
Yeah, that is okay. Eco. Come. 53,
And smoke mid, I
53.
guess. Double door again.
Yeah, we can go
Oh,
short again. We can try short again. It's
Get
okay
the
if we
short
get
guy, I
found.
guess.
Karthik, we need that flash.
They are playing.
I won't flash
You
you.
listen to call, Baba. We're going short. Hey, mid push maybe.
Flashing mid for us.
Hey, bad smoke or they
Peeking.
needed it?
Bad smoke.
I don't know. I tagged him.
okay, I'm getting spammed.
अरे कार.
One shot came.
Two shot.
Ankil,
Who was I on top of?
Ankil, why you on top of me?
Okay, why were you below me?
अरे Punisher noob.
Fuck, I couldn't jump, bro.
अरे one guy
And I couldn't
83,
stand
bro.
up.
You need to up.
Okay,
Do you have long spawn or mid spawn?
mid. I can jump.
Wait, come on. Guys, come on. This is not even a pink lobby. Don't fuck up.
Arey, we gonna win this game. Come on, lock it.
Come on. Hold long. Karthik and me will go IT. They're pushing short very aggro. I'm going to molly IT, Karthik. Anyone
Can you
IT?
just
Careful,
hold
LT
it
push.
initially? Hold it initially.
See,
Why are you playing so forward? You will die from long.
I'll molly back side. Sorry.
in between.
Hey, you too, Molly.
Yes. One. B.
Ankil, nice. Wait.
Care LT.
We regroup.
One mid.
Yeah, I'm throwing a lurk smoke just to see their reaction.
We have one more smoke actually. Oh, we have one more.
Dallas.
Uncle.
I mean the platform area.
Platform.
Wow.
Window.
Wait,
One was
see us,
window,
be
one was
careful,
window.
they can be
Door
door.
okay.
Behind SMG. Behind SMG, you need to enter now.
And,
Car.
What are you guys doing, man?
He got tagged, man.
Uncle took 10 business day to kill the platform.
Yeah, bro.
But he was
Okay,
just
go
jiggling.
long, Karthik.
It's a hard angle though.
I'll drop you flash too then.
Oh my god.
I have to.
Guys,
But I'm
let's do
very
fast
far.
rounds, no?
No.
Listen, Sia, Punisher, go long. Just trade him. Stay.
क्या?
You play. Go long. Stay. Just hold backstab. Give bomb. Stay. Hold backstab and come late.
Okay.
Talking, pushing. They're talking. All the way side. Off the right.
Late round shot. Okay.
Flashing.
Smoke there.
You wanna hold it?
One shot.
Hold. Punisher, don't.
I'm forward, bro.
I'm too low.
Fucking hell.
Why are you guys coming back? Go.
I have no idea.
One side and
You
one
come,
CT.
Sil. We need
CT
your
is open,
help.
CT is open.
Now shot.
One more
One
CT.
city,
elevator,
one
one
elevator. One
elevator.
city, one elevator.
Wait.
You want me to?
coming.
Can I
No,
wait?
City,
wait,
elevator.
just wait. Hold my.
One
Wait,
city.
Side one.
It's
One more,
One side.
one more.
short. Still short.
down.
Okay. Peek wide. See a peek wide.
Side.
In the
Well
side,
done,
bro.
well done,
Wide,
well done.
stop.
Nice one.
Take off, boost, please. सिया,
Yeah.
अरे सिया हिलता ही नहीं है यार.
Nice
Baba.
call, yeah, Till.
Yes.
Well, very well.
Yeah,
Great
I
save.
saw him,
First
bro.
hit does not matter, bro. You are 10 HP. You need his crosshair to move that way, no?
Yeah.
If you take one step and stop, I'm right behind you. We get fucking spammed, man. Listen to call, no?
Someone flash
Lucky,
long
lucky.
I don't know how to pick wave, bro. I don't
Bro,
know.
just run.
Okay.
Guys, long flash.
Arey, mid push, boys, mid push.
One more.
One more. Until we can activate long, we can activate.
One is long.
Punisher push, no.
Come, double peek him.
Bro, I need to check LT also.
No, bro.
Wait. I'm breaking smoke. Just check.
So walking, bro, all the way.
Bad smoke.
अरे तो one LT come always ना.
No one there. Arey, one CT. There's a gap in the smoke, man.
I told you bad
Struggling
smoke, bro.
mollies.
It's fine.
Yo.
Guys, fine.
Beat him up. Blue go.
Planted for long.
I have literally one health. So
It does not matter. I don't care. Hello, yellow. Look what I'm holding.
Yeah, I'm taking nade now to throw.
where was
Headshot.
he? Where was
Shot.
he?
Shot. Hopper है वो.
Kartik, call. Why are you coming back, bro? What the
Morning
fuck
effort.
is going on, bro? No one listens to shit. Kartik, you were supposed to hunt him.
You will die at pit,
He's not
bro.
touching
Just go
you.
T-spawn.
He's coming towards you.
Bro, I don't care. We are two of us.
He fell back. Go. T-spawn check, bro.
Oh
Tunnels.
my god.
It's okay. Let's go long.
Flash me long.
I'll drop one there.
No, I have to. I've dropped my nade. Don't take it, please.
I'll take it.
Move. Go along with him. Madri, go along with him. Okay, mid push.
Flash. Wait. Flashing.
Maybe mid push. Get.
See.
I can smoke CT. Wait.
I already had him, bro.
Oh, okay, no worry. It's
1K
fine.
smoke push.
Good cover, yeah, boys. Good cover. CT operated.
Yep.
Got him till.
Yeah, I knew one more.
Shot.
Shot. Molly.
I'm flanking
Molly
shot.
cross.
Any molly,
Yeah,
any
He's
molly.
crossing, boys.
Nice. Someone take
Nice.
M4 there.
Good round. Come on.
M4 I took. Yeah. Kartik, go along with him. Forget mid door smoke.
What happened?
Manly, what are you doing?
I mean, this fucker Sia is stealing my kills.
Arey Bancho.
Look,
You're too slow, Bancho.
kill you only.
Kill them, bro, first.
Wait a second, Mali.
Smoking, wait, don't smoke.
1B.
Molly.
There you go, boy. There you go. And one is scout.
No, one guy has M4 at me.
Hold smoke, hold smoke.
Nice, one shot.
Elevator. Elevator.
Guys, you wanna come see?
Huh? They planted, bro.
He had M4 last. Okay.
He's in the smoke, he's in the smoke.
Nice, bro.
ठीक है दे दो.
Sia
नहीं
when we
लगा.
are fully
Okay,
committed.
guys,
Sia
listen to
said
this
from
call. We will fake
Okay.
long, take bomb. 3 of you go outside B.
Can you take long?
Okay. We will.
Can you have 3 B? I mean 3 long. Confirm it. Then you have rotation. 2 long.
Wait, I didn't get the call actually.
Catch me long. If I get long control, 2 people go
Okay,
and
okay.
wait outside B tunnels. Or 3. 3 is also fine. Still come along with me. Just flash.
Stay here only. Karthik sometime he rush with SMG.
He's coming.
Last round he did.
Oh my god, I died. Yes, still just fake long.
I can
Go
flash
smoke,
if you guys
go
wanna peek
smoke.
it.
And Molly's. Hey, don't
1,
peek. You
2,
just have to
3.
fake
Flash.
it.
I'm actually stuck here.
Hey, get out. They've cleared me completely.
Then fuck up my molly, yes.
No, no.
Can I run? Did you see that?
What the fuck was that?
Still be careful. One way. Right.
Nice. What a call, bro. That guy was coming long, no?
Yeah.
They can switch them.
I'm hopping long. Can you
Someone
flash
flash
long,
long?
please?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How's Nani?
Oh my god.
Guys, buy more flashes. Flash the fuck out of him. Come on.
He's good enough, Ray. He's good enough.
That you told me.
It's really like Chronic did.
Can mid, someone can
One
mid.
more, one went pit, don't peek. Hold. Let's go.
What did he have? I'm gonna help Punisher, my teammate, bro. Not with bomb though. Kate!
I flashed.
Now long wheeler kanda.
One is pit for sure.
Okay, I thought you were here.
I'm logging pit.
He went. Nice call, yaar.
Car.
Off my
Guys,
dead.
push also
No,
there.
scouter.
Push also
Whatever
there.
it is.
No smoke.
Smoking city.
Purple, take bomb. Purple. Oh no.
He's side.
Okay.
Short.
Don't fight, please. Don't fight.
Short he.
Shot. I'm gonna hunt his ass.
I'm here, Ray. I'm here.
He's shot. Arey, what? Bro.
He's going back shot in. He went back shot in.
He's very
He's coming
low.
to you,
Go full
Karthik.
Karthik.
Oh, no.
Bro, what is this game, bro? I hit him fucking head.
Give him 90.
Oh man, super
Here,
tilting.
take off peak long. Here, you have spawn. Guys, start buying Tech 9s. We have ample money. Sia can drop. Here, drop her in, okay? Okay, I got. Here, go fast long. I'll flash with
Mandy
Sil.
gun kaya.
Yeah, bro. Why do you have so many Tech 9?
He fucked up with Molly. Okay, pit.
One man pit.
Fall back. Sia, give me off. I'm very low.
They're pushing long. Guys, yaar, why no support?
Hey bro, we were falling back.
They are too long.
Sia.
Arey, yaar!
Dead. One shot.
You didn't die in 3 mollies, bro. Really?
Until
Nice
next
one.
position.
Okay, bye. Give them off, bro.
What is this?
You can take Tech 9 and be happy.
That was the chaos.
Here, drop
Oh,
it.
you threw the top outside. What the fuck?
Take it.
Of course, I will throw it, bro.
Nice.
You can
yaar.
watch mid with up. Forget long.
Want me to go long or should I just?
No, let's hold, bro. Let's hold. They're
let's
pushing.
hold. We
They're
can do
pushing
this.
tunnels and long.
Karthik, do one thing. Don't smoke. Come fast, long. Come long. Give me boost.
One cross, only one. One LT push, one cross. That's it.
Walk. Give.
Mid push.
Hey, mid push boys.
क्या
अरे।
घटिया ऑफर है भाई.
I didn't see him, bro.
One is very low mid. He's double door.
I'm holding long. Purple,
I'll
why are you
smoke double
coming?
door for us. 1 second. Can you guys hold?
One shot,
I think either short or left side of long door.
one shot, 1 mid.
Wait a second, guys. Can
Why
you
you mean
wait?
short?
Blue, I would recommend checking Tunnel's push because he gave LT call. So get T.
That LT call came back to high mid, I guess. Yes, he went LT and he came.
He
It
never
was the
went
same guy.
LT.
Guys,
Arey, I
use
saw him
middle.
going. Shut up.
Don't
Wait,
use too much
wait.
middle. We'll execute A or B. Wait.
1 second.
You need someone
Okay.
to.
I would recommend going B. Karthik and Sil can smoke window and door.
Are you
And,
boosted?
Yep.
I don't have a smoke.
Oh.
Sia, go. Sil and Sia
Yeah,
have
do
smoked
something,
Karthik.
bro.
Yeah, go back. Why are you
Molly
peeking?
shot, na? Molly shot, go LT.
Go
kill
B.
three
Give
guys.
Karthik smoke. Let him smoke window and door. One will be mid. Who is purple? Go, bro. There are 30 seconds.
It's not enough time. Yeah, enough time.
We have enough time,
Just
Ted.
drop it.
Go,
Just
go, go,
outside,
go, go.
outside B. Just drop it outside B. Yeah. Give me smoke. Give me smoke. Oh, guys, give me smoke.
Guys, don't keep juggling here now. We need to push.
Go, go, go.
Just enter. Just enter. Honestly, just enter.
Arey, be on side.
Enter. Bomb plant. Bomb plant. Yeah, bomb plant.
Arey, yaar.
One more plant.
Cover.
Covering. Don't worry.
Tunnel, side. Tunnel. One more window. Window and tunnel.
Bye.
Not plant.
Yeah.
Not for you.
Open. No, not tunnel plant.
The-
There you go.
Wait, one
Guys, what are you watching? They are pushing window.
It's okay.
I was afraid of eating that
Tunnel
shot.
two.
Oh,
I killed one at
jumped
window.
on. Jumped window.
I killed one at door.
But you
Then I
won't know
peeked.
that you
Yeah.
killed.
Door, no one was there.
We did.
Okay. Sia and me long. Tanisha mid. Watch short. Karthik plays B platform. Sil plays B car. Come. Guys, lock in.
See, still, if you hear them call.
Yeah, we are going ahead long, huh?
Yeah.
Still, actually, can you buy a Ashen Avenue?
If there are too many,
I'll molly
we fall
first.
back.
Don't use the smoke.
Still, can you actually buy off?
Got grenades, it's fine.
Send one.
Nice.
Still, do you hear anyone?
They multiple long, all three long,
One
three or
mid
four
out,
long.
one
Guys,
mid
go.
out, one mid out, one mid out.
Need help long.
Bro just gave up. What else?
Maybe what to do things.
Yeah, what else to do? Same.
Go for it. Go for it. You don't even have armor.
Should have taken
Bro, it
still
takes
too
6
long, I
years to
guess.
roll.
I'm behind you, bitch.
I'm short
Stepping
jumping.
down.
He doesn't jump, bro.
Now he's jumping.
They all will pick.
No kit. Just go for kills. This is
Nice shot, Sia.
Nicely. Thank you, bro. Thank you. No worries.
Sia nerf is too funny, no?
It was.
Pause.
Lol, that bitch got flashed.
Okay, bro, you can't imagine.
Bro,
what
white
I did.
pick 3 guys, bro.
I white picked from CT to long and I saw 3 guys. I whiffed 3 shots. I threw my pistol. I said, boys.
What? Lol.
Yeah.
Gayo.
Yeah.
Punisher,
We don't
we
even
push
have
80.
lead,
3 of you nade long. Sia, buy nade long. 3 of you go long. 3.
Please don't die behind me.
Oh, this
I
guy.
want to see what is that? Yeah, suicide. Nice.
Shot.
Nice.
I told you not to die behind me.
2 or 3 B. 2 or 3
Guys, they're coming
one
B.
shot.
Kill them all.
Karthik?
I was about to ask you. Where was you working, right?
Door.
He jumped down, bro.
What?
One more door.
Same thing from me also. Oh, yeah, like,
Bro, fuck off.
I was
What?
okay.
No. I thought I would kill him, but I didn't.
Eco.
Now what we do? Okay.
Eco.
I
You can
told you
stack
please don't
B.
die behind me.
They have SMGs, right? How many kills did we get? 2?
2.
Two.
Stack B. Just buy P250 and stack B. I need long income. What else?
Tudu, let's go.
You can 4
Let me buy-
man. You can 4 man walk
Good
in
gun.
tunnels.
They saw four going.
They saw 4 men tunnels.
Now they saw 2 mid.
Now he saw 1A.
Gayu Longo.
Only 1.
Don't ask why I will not be.
I'm here.
What is this smoke?
Not that.
Bro,
not
this
that.
is meta.
Stay inside the smoke.
What kind of smoke is this, bro?
The smoke will fade in 7 seconds and both of you will die from shot. Again,
No,
they
hide
will
in
smoke.
that smoke. No, hide in
Again, they
that
will
smoke.
They gave 2 gaps in the smoke, bro.
Crouch here, crouch.
I can't.
Why you can't?
Bro, what the fuck? 3 against 3.
Okay, now let's play 6-9, bro. We can't screw up. Come on. Still off.
6-7. Oh, 6-9? We are losing?
Still, listen,
Yes.
listen.
Lama.
Off from sight, watch shot. Sia, come along with me.
I'll go.
Yes, go.
I'm going B.
Okay, Karthik, mid doors.
Okay.
Sia.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Still
Let's go
watch
long.
shot from sight.
Yes.
From sight, no going forward.
Shot in, shot.
Sia, go back. Sia, go back.
Mid out.
Shot. Shot coming, boy.
Help.
Mid door, mid
One
door.
mid ta.
I'm watching you.
Nice one, sir. One more shot.
One more shot. Guys, topping.
Hey!
All. No, Sia. Nice. Last
Hold,
shot.
hold,
Last
hold.
shot.
Hold.
Ninja था वो.
He's low, very low, very low. 1
Let's
HP.
go.
Nice. Get the off, no, get the off.
Right
Man,
hook, right
that
hook.
was such a awkward.
Nice one. Come on. It's okay. Still, same thing. Yeah,
Nice
yeah,
call.
same thing. Punisher mid, Karthik B.
I think give me a grenade.
Nice one, Sil. Good hold. Sil,
I
start
only
using-
one, yeah.
Start playing from ramp and not from goose or side.
Okay.
Suicide one, right side.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah, go back.
Big, I'm going big.
Punisher.
They went in.
Punisher.
Big. Yeah, it's we all we.
Okay, unless we get one more. Okay.
No, I can try.
TV2, wait. Hey,
Can
Sil,
flash
come
you.
in. Wait. I'm not there.
Middle
Go,
door,
go.
middle
The
door.
platform side. Tunnels. Arey, Sil,
Tunnel, yaar.
you were behind me?
Yeah. Fucking shit.
Sil, it's a 3v2. Switch to M4, bro. Don't.
I did know. I did.
Oh.
Yeah.
Eco.
We lined up for him.
Eco. It's okay. 7-11 will come back.
We can push high mid.
We can push high mid. Come. All 5 high mid. But are they mulling high mid?
No,
No idea.
They smoked it.
No.
Okay. Then push high mid.
Side mid, definitely one there always.
Inside 2. Oh my god. Again they did the same thing, bro. What the hell?
When did they move right?
I only died to this.
Sorry, man. I didn't take
One more
it.
guy, I asked him also.
Till now they never did, right? Till now
One more cell.
This is the only round.
They never did actually.
One is tagged, Karthik.
No, they did it.
That ball axe?
That was the first round they ever did the molly and
No,
made
second
it.
round. This
And
is the
that-
second round
I-
I
I
died the
don't-
same way.
So again, Till, you're switching positions now, so we can't even give a good call. So I don't know. Yeah.
What switching position? I played only long.
Only you have played
What
only
call?
now. मैं B खेला हूँ, mid खेला हूँ. मैं switch
Sia,
कर रहा था.
same thing. Sia, same. Come.
कहाँ मिडल
Sia,
you
go
go.
be with Karthik. It's okay.
Okay.
And not Sia, who is still?
I'll just come.
You said
I
kill
meant-
Sia.
It's fine.
Yeah. Karthik, show him the recording.
Yeah, that. Nice. Bomb long. One shot. Arey, one shot push, guys. No
Long
call.
bomb will come.
Dropping down.
One more.
Nice.
Too long,
Nice
too long.
hold.
Both are long.
Car one side. Oh my god, what is this, bro?
Please wait, please wait, please wait. I'm just hoping both are there.
Only if I hit that shot, bro.
One ramp. Oh, take him. Even made us something.
Maybe ninja. Guys, come on. Say, please listen to call.
What did I do? You said kill Sia, go B.
He
He
said,
can see her.
me and Sia actually, not you.
Bro.
It's
You
fine.
have
Don't
it
be
recorded,
called.
don't show him.
Play wherever you guys want.
He did
Okay,
say
okay.
that.
No, no, you recorded. No, show him.
Okay.
Okay, then what will you do, sir? If it's the truth.
He will give us knife to us. No worries.
Nothing,
His heart
bro.
is right, right? His heart is
I'll
right.
take it go long. I come long to support.
Tilting for no reason.
Well, he can deal that with Romeo.
I think boost me. Boost me.
Under.
Smoke, still smoke.
I got one
Nice.
at B.
Hold.
I'll give you one more smoke.
One more
I-
B. One
you
more
need
B.
it for short. You need it for short.
One more
One
B.
short. One, two short, two high mid.
They don't know I'm here.
One UT or
Yeah,
LT.
they don't know about this.
Karthik UT or LT. I mean, still UT or LT.
Bomb drop, boys.
Ek aur.
One LT and one high mid upper.
So I'm fucked at B. Guys, someone watch mid.
LT high mid. And bomb is drop behind me. I double you.
Nice.
Still bomb is near that dead body.
It's your game.
Till.
Yeah,
He
yeah,
took
wait.
it?
I'm holding. I don't know where he is.
He took it, I guess.
He's B.
Yeah. B. Nice. Get the op maybe.
I took
Yes.
an off.
Let's go up.
It's
Still,
okay,
bitch.
it's okay.
Harris, fine no. We can play.
Can that? It's okay.
Okay, I'll take please. I don't have.
Take.
I can drop. Fine.
Drop for Karthik. Okay, Karthik has. See ya. Oh, okay.
Going long, maybe? Or what?
Yeah, okay. I don't know what to say.
It's fine. Play. Out.
Fightable UT.
Guys, we are dying to what
And
gun?
zero support.
So no one can really support at that.
They push the molly too. Start. Nice one, good.
अरे नीचे आ गया mid.
GG boys.
I don't even know where to go, bro. Oh my god.